Hi, welcome to my video of the ICP 12 and the mobile ICP 5. And as we are given two tasks, one is the SQLite task, which is to create an employer and employee list, and which we are supposed to add two buttons like update and delete buttons, so that the whatever the updates employers and employees updates are given, so those can be updated or deleted from the SQL database as well as the app. So coming to this was all the given code, and additional changes that I have done to this code are these two buttons like delete form from DB and update form from DB, which are just an on-click listener buttons, which strings up to an update to DB function and this to an delete DB to DB function. Coming to the update to DB function, I have taken all the string that is already from the given database. Considering the names, I have got the employee ID or whatever the database storage system it is in. Taking that, I have changed whatever the changes that have been done to this update to update this file, like the update the in logs. These were taken from the preregistered code, and if and I've created some if conditions and the try conditions to just make sure the date of birth and patterns are the same, and the employment patterns are the same as well. The date patterns are same. So, and then I have done this toast text which shows the updating is done. Coming to the delete DB, I have taken the values from the database like before by using get readable database, and later on I have have just used the delete database delete function or delete method to erase the whole database from the enrollment from the MySQL database. So coming to the Outlook, I have just added two buttons of update, delete and update over here, and this is the delete button, and over here is the update button. I have just do some colorings to them, and this is all the code. And coming to the output of this code is MySQL. You can see I have an employer called hello and all that. I can just update his job function, like this is a janitor, and if I press update over here, okay, fine. Now let's try adding a new function. And a date of birth is 1.
Hello.
So let's search for him, and let's change this janitor position to headmaster. So updation is done. When you click search, you can see the changes in the position of whatever he's doing there. So coming to the second task, this is a task which we create in Firebase using an online web service, online database. So Coming to that, the prerequisites, the given code, I have just added two buttons over here, like the button logout and button delete as mentioned. So with the button logout, I have taken these buttons into action by using the find view by ID of button logout and button delete. um, for these functions of the button logout, I have created I've taken the Firebase audit function, calling the audit, and in which I have named this getting the user. If the user is equals to null, then it just logs out from the current user as something like a sign off button. And later on, for the button delete, I have taken out the code, and whenever I click this button delete button, it just does a function called delete account, in which my account details are taken from the user. If the user is equals to null, delete account, yeah. Oh, if my button is not equals to null, user is not equals to null, then the user is deleted completely and it's signed out from the system. So these are the two buttons, and coming to the output of these two, you can see over here is the Firebase account. I've already created an account, but I would create one more for now. It's something like abc and c@gmail.com, and password 123456. Sign in now, abc@gmail.com, and 123456. So here I can save something like a name and the phone number assumed, and you can also update the name and phone number. It's got updated, and you can log out from here, and also you can delete the account. When you press on the delete, you get access to this. And if you press log out too, it just comes back to the main account. So this is my ICP 12, and thank you for watching.